Okay guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you're seeing this video. So this is just a summary of what have been happening next week. First of all, I want to thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. I know it's not easy, so I want you to do well to also keep subscribing, keep liking this video to support my journey. So as I've said before, I'm just going to be documenting my journey as a upcoming forex trader, and I'm also going to be outlining everything I've been doing throughout last week. Last week was really cool though. So on Monday I didn't take any trade because on Monday was on holiday, worldwide holiday, so I didn't take any trade on Monday. And although I was actually looking out for some opportunity on Monday morning for London section, but I couldn't go in for any positions because there wasn't any opportunity. So for that reason, I couldn't take any trade New York session because of the bank holiday on the New York session, the USD and the CAD. So I didn't take any trade again on Monday, no trades. So on Tuesday I actually took a trade and I closed that trade in break even. It was two trade I closed in break even, and on Wednesday I took some trade and I closed in profit. On Thursday I was actually looking out for opportunities. I think I took a trade, I closed in break even. So but Friday, which was NFP, actually NFP was 3:30 p.m. So I went in for a position on, I think I took two positions, US30 and GBPJPY. So I dropped it on my Telegram channel. So people who took the trade um also enjoyed, because I think 2 to 3 persons took the trade on my channel. So it was just a bizarre day. So Friday was really cool for me. NFP, I didn't actually trade NFP, so I closed all my position before NFP. So I took the trade, I think around 12. I took the trade around 12. So before 3:30, which was NFP, I've already closed out, and that was it. And I just closed, and everything was just that way. So guys, I don't know. My lookout for next week is just going to be different, and I just pray for more opportunities next week, because from the chart I've analyzed, I think next week is going to be better. It's going to be maybe better than this week that passed. Although overall I closed the week in profit, and that's the only thing that matters. So from next week, we're just going to be looking out for new opportunities. So before I go to the chart, I'm going to be showing you what I'm looking at for next week. I'm also checking on GBPJPY, US30, XAU USD, and GBUSD. So these four pairs is what I'm going to be analyzing for the week. So this is what I'm going to be looking out for next week. So do well to watch this video to the end, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel as we go into this forex trading journey together.
Alright guys, now on the shot right now, I'm not going to take much of your time. So US30 have been really good. Today is Friday, and this Friday we're really making good profits today, so it was really nice. I don't want to analyze much, so but I'm going to start from the 4 hour time frame. Now from the 4 hour time frame, I love following the 4 hour time frame bias, so we are just coming out from a bearish move. We just break the trend line and we are looking to buy to the upside. For that reason, I took this sell. NFP was crazy though, but I've already make some profit out of the market before NFP, guys. I've already make some profit out of the market before the NFP started, and that was just how it is. From this point, from this point, I took a sell at this point and I hit TP at this point before the NFP start pushing to the upside, but I'm already out of the trade. So for next week, believing price is gonna buy, so I'm gonna be looking for opportunity where I'm gonna take the buy. Yeah, looking for opportunity where I'm gonna be taking the buy from on US30 next week. We're gonna be looking for buys, so you're gonna be buy. So I want to see price come down. This price I want to see it come down, so whichever ways price will get to, we just know that we want to buy. Just know that I want to buy, so we're looking for buys on US30 next week, which is Monday. So that is it for US30. So let's go to GBPJPY. GBPJPY, some kind of, so let's go to 4 hour first. From the 4 hour time frame, we are bullish on GBPJPY, but I took a sell on GBPJPY at the New York session and smash TP. It is what it is. Now, what's the reason why I took this sell? Looking at this point, this is a very strong resistance level, reaction, reaction. If you go back, you see there was a reaction at that point, reaction, and at the same time, this is the high of, I think, high of the previous week. So it's a very significant level. So I actually had to take note of it. That being said, scaling down to the 1 hour time frame, you can also see as well how price have been finding it difficult around this level. So when I see price get again into this point, the third time, reaction, third reaction, I knew it's going to fall. For that reason, I took in some position at the New York session. Pushed down to the downside, and I hit TP on this trade, and I'm out. So we are still bullish though. So there might probably be some push to the upside. Never can tell. Might be some push to the upside here. So this is what we are looking out on for GBPJPY. That's just it. That being said, let's scale down to GBPUSD. GBPUSD can be some kind of cool, funny, I mean, an analysis that market getting to this point, there should be a drop probably. Although we are still bullish, so there are still possibilities that this market is going to buy to the upside. This market is still going to buy to the upside. Looking at the market right now, it seems like something that was going to still buy to the upside, but you never can tell. I still believe on the buy. So next week we will still be looking out for buys on GBUSD. That being said, let's look at gold. Gold actually bought. I've not updated my chart yet. Gold bought. So next week we should also be looking out for opportunity for a buy on gold. That's just it. So if you have not subscribed, I want you to subscribe to the channel. So this might be the first time you're coming across my video. Do well to subscribe, like, support this journey as we grow together. Thanks for watching.